everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a truly comprehensive solution for any drummer or audio engineer looking to capture the full power and nuance of a drum kit. The Sennheiser Drum Kit E600 Drum Microphone Package. This isn't just a collection of microphones. It's a complete, ready-to-go bundle that includes 7 high-quality Sennheiser E600 series microphones, 7 robust clutch brand mic stands, and 7 reliable XLR cables. It's designed to take the guesswork out of miking a drum kit, providing everything needed right out of the box. The core of this package is, of course, the Sennheiser E600 series microphones. These are not just any mics. They are industry-respected workhorses known for their exceptional sound quality, rugged durability, and tailored frequency responses for drums. The E602ii is a powerhouse for kick drums, delivering punch and depth. The E604s are perfect for snare and toms, with their compact design and excellent transient response, ensuring every hit is captured with clarity. And for overheads, the E614 condenser microphones provide a natural, detailed capture of cymbals and the overall kit sound, bringing air and sparkle to the mix. Having a full complement of 7 mics means a complete drum setup can be mic'd, from the kick and snare to all the toms and overheads, ensuring a balanced and professional sound. Beyond the microphones, the inclusion of 7 clutch mic stands and 7 XLR cables transforms this into a truly plug-and-play system. The clutch stands are known for their stability and ease of adjustment, crucial for positioning mics precisely around a drum kit without fear of slippage. The XLR cables, also from Clutch, ensure reliable connectivity and signal integrity, minimizing noise and maximizing the performance of the Sennheiser microphones. This bundle eliminates the need to source individual components, saving time and often money, making it an incredibly convenient option for home studios, live venues, or even professional recording environments. While the product description mentions video recording and speech as recommended uses, it's clear this package is specifically engineered for drums. However, the inherent quality and robust build of Sennheiser microphones mean they possess a versatility that could extend to other instruments or even vocal applications in a pinch, though their primary strength lies in capturing the dynamic range and percussive attack of a drum kit. This package represents a smart investment for anyone serious about achieving professional-grade drum sounds, offering a complete, high-performance solution that is both reliable and easy to deploy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.